Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove card from Wise. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wise, click on the sign up option, and from here you can continue logging in using your Google account, your Facebook account. You can even use your Apple account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are good to go. Now, if you wanted to remove your card from your Wise account, say for example, if you feel that the card has been compromised, lost or stolen, removing it from your Wise account can prevent unauthorized transactions and protect the user's financial information. Now, if you are one of those that has multiple cards linked to their Wise account but no longer uses one of them, they may choose to remove it to declutter their account and simplify their payment options. If the user switches banks or gets a new debit or credit card, they may need to remove the old card from the Wise account and add the new one to ensure that payments and transfers continue to work smoothly. Now, you have two options on how to remove your card here on Wise. The first one is, all you have to do is hover down to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on card. Okay. Now, when you do it, if you have a link card right here, say for example your debit or your digital card, you would be able to have an option to remove it from here. Now, because I don't have a card linked to my Wise account, I can't remove anything from here. But if you do have, say for example, a digital card or a physical card right here, all you have to do is just unlink them or remove them. All right. The next option that you can do is click on the upper right corner right here. And from here, click on the settings. Right? Click on that. And from here, if you have a connected accounts, that means like you have connected your bank accounts right here. All you have to do is just remove the bank cards that you have connected to your Wise. All right. Now, if you have a connected card here, just remove it. Otherwise, all you have to do is go to the Wise Help Center and tell them that you are having problems removing your linked card from your Wise account. Okay. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.